This yellow powder right here isn't just any yellow powder. This is basically legal steroids. Now, before I tell you what this is, let me explain. This contains over 250 powerful and potent nutrients that are essential to the body, providing it with all you need to build muscle and become stronger. Not only that, but studies have shown that this powder immensely increases your overall health, causing you to live a longer and healthier life. This is bee pollen, and it is found in this ancient formula right here. If you are interested and want to learn more, check out Awakened Pre-Workout on Amazon.